Hello folks, Midwest F-150 here. In one of my previous videos, a viewer asked if Valvoline Restore and Protect helps reduce valve carbon buildup. I jumped on the opportunity to ask Valvoline about it and made this video for anyone who is curious. I honestly did not expect these Valvoline email videos to get me so many views and subscribers, so I'll continue sharing these emails with you all until you get sick of it. Here's what they said.
Thank you for contacting Valvoline Product Support. Restore and Protect may inadvertently minimally assist in cleaning exhaust valves, as any component that comes into contact with the oil would benefit from the Active Clean and Liquid Shield technologies. However, this product is not designed nor formulated to clean intake valves, as carbon deposits on the intake valves would likely be an indicator of worn or leaking seals or unburnt fuels. Use of Restore and Protect would assist in preventing future deposits from forming. An engine cleaning service would be the ideal manner to clean deposits in injectors and on the intake valves, as these are introduced through the fuel system, throttle body intake manifold, and are formulated and designed to specifically clean these components. Service locations that are enrolled in our VPS Valvoline Professional Series program could perform a fuel system service that are tailored to remove deposits from fuel injectors, intake valves, and clean the combustion chamber. Thank you and have a great day.
Alright, well hopefully that answers some of the questions folks may have. I'm curious though. Let me know in the comments what you are doing to help with carbon buildup in your engine valves. I recently poured a bottle of Redline fuel system cleaner in my fuel tank, hoping it can help with this. But let me know if there's anything else that anyone out there is trying.
If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. If you're watching one of my videos for the first time, consider checking out my other videos on my channel. You'll find videos of me opening up oil filters, videos about how I'm getting my truck to 500,000 miles, product reviews, among other things. Please check it out.